I'd like to introduce a new and practical tool to everyone, Mellow's IP Reader. UIP 1. Provides rapid IP address discovery for Klipper devices. 2. Displays system resource usage. 3. Checks service running status. You can also use a Type-C cable to extend the connection, super handy if your board is tucked away somewhere hard to reach. Now, let's walk through how to configure the UIP. It just works on Windows and most Linux systems, no drivers needed. The UIP is currently not supported on Mac systems. To proceed, please enter 192.168.4.1 in the browser search field. This will take you to config page. First, configure the network settings. These should remain unchanged if there are no IP conflicts. Then display setting. The screen viewing angle can be adjusted. The next step allows you to customize the refresh rate and display duration according to your needs. This 3 is the page hold time. Refresh interval and scroll speed leave as default if no special needs. When modify is done, don't forget to hit save and restart. Your changes won't work until you do. Then SSH config. Enter the username and password of the host computer client to establish the SSH connection. The System Control panel provides system-level management options and displays the current firmware version. Click Save Configuration to confirm your changes. Let's see what changed. Theme color has changed to blue. All pages now display for 60 seconds as configured.